Hey guys, Coach here for this week's Plan of the Week. I thought we'd go a little bit on the sustainable thread this week. I want to introduce you to the Bountiful Blue Blueberry. Look at that foliage. Blue-gray foliage, a fantastic sun lover. It loves acidic soil. The more acid that you can give it, even down to a pH around 4.5, they will love you for it. They're a self-pollinating blueberry with a caveat. They will do even better if you have a cross-pollinator. They really will. These guys here will put on a berry show coming up. Let's see, I'm in North Georgia right now, so I would say by the end of next month, you'll have a crop of blueberries. They're already going in here. They've already bloomed and they're all ready to go. They just need a little bit of time. Bountiful Blue is a great landscape plant if you want to mix it in with other acid-loving landscape shrubs, like your hydrangea, like your hostas, azalea, rhododendrons. You can put them right in there with these guys too. And if you only give them like a half a day of sun, make sure it's the midday or maybe even the later part of the day, depending on the zone. These guys here will go down to zone 6. Their best is through 6 to 10. Below that, they tend not to perk back quite as much. So I wouldn't go colder than zone 6, which still gives you almost down to 0, you know, for gosh sakes. Bountiful Blue, had these at Weed Patch Ranch when we were out there in Northern California. Harvested very well, and they don't get that big. They're not a big high bush, they're a medium, 3 foot or less. So check it out the next time you're at your garden center. This one's put out by the Monrovia company, Bountiful Blue Blueberry. Great landscape shrub, it gives you a little something back. Guys, thanks. A sustainable moment for you from Coach. I'll catch you next week. Take care.